Welcome back to the finished video on this 2016 DS3 Elegance 1.2 PureTech, which has covered just 55,000 miles. If you've not seen the first video on this car, then click on the link in the top corner and take a look. This car is not a CAT registered car. I bought it as a non-runner due to wet belt failure. It's now had all the necessary work carried out, including a new timing belt, full service, new front discs and pads, and a brand new MOT with no advisories. On the inside, I have removed all the seats and given the car a full valet. Some features of the car include remote central locking, electric windows and mirrors, air conditioning with climate control, cruise control with speed limit, rear parking sensors, full touchscreen infotainment system with Bluetooth connectivity. Do like, share and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any updates or any of my future builds. If you do need any more information, you can leave a comment below or email me at c96rebuilds@gmail.com. And as always, I do thank you for taking the time to watch these videos, and I look forward to seeing you soon in another video.